Now we will learn levels of management. We have already learned that management functions cannot be performed in isolation, and management always refers to a group of people involved in managerial activities. In order to carry on these activities, the employees are given appropriate authority accompanied with accountability. The managers are bound together in a hierarchy of authority responsibility relationship. Such relationships create a chain of superiors and subordinates, which is known as hierarchy or level of management. Thus, level of management denote the demarcation between various managerial positions in an organization on their basis of their relative responsibilities, authorities, and positions. Generally, are three levels of management which are shown on your screen. Top level management consists of board of director, chairman and president. Then middle level management consists of marketing manager, finance manager and other departmental manager like production manager, sales manager, HR manager, etc. Third one is operational level management. It is also called supervisory level of management or lower level of management. It includes supervisor, superintendent, foreman, section officers, etc. Now see these levels of management in detail. Now functions of top level management. The main function of top level management is to formulate strategy and goals of an organization and it also determines the objectives of the enterprise. Then it coordinates with different departments as per an objective of an organization. It analysis of business environment by interacting between the organization and with the outside world like public, competitors, financial institutions, government, media, etc. Top level management takes major decisions to ensure the survival of firm by achieving organizational goal. It also assemble and arrange resources like men, material, machine, money, etc. It consists of board of directors, president, vice president, general manager, CEO, COO, CFO, CMO, etc. Next one is middle level management. So middle level management includes head of the departments, divisional heads, executive officers, plant superintendent, etc. All of them are placed at the middle of the organizational hierarchy, reporting to top level management. They are the link between the top level management and lower level management. That means bottom level of management. This level of management is responsible for translating general goals and plans developed by the top level managers into more specific objectives and activities. So the main functions of middle level management is it acts as a link between top and bottom level management. It implements plans and strategies developed by top level management. It interprets the strategies after analyzing. It arranges the necessary personnel. That means staffing process is undertaken by middle level management. It assigns duties and responsibilities. It also motivates to achieve the desired objectives. It coordinates with the other departments. So middle level management includes production manager, purchase manager, marketing manager, financial manager, HR manager and other divisional heads. Next level of management is operative level of management. It is also called supervisory level of management. This level consists of supervisors, foremen, superintendent, section officers, etc. Lower level management implements the specific plans developed with middle level managers and serve as a link between management and non-management personnel. It is also responsible for developing good human relations and discipline among workers because they are in direct touch with the workforce. The day-to-day activities of the organization are supervised by the lower level management. Now see the functions of lower level management. Number 1, to look after workforce. As they are in direct touch force, so they supervise and monitoring the activities of workers. To instruct the workforce, they supervise and guide the workforce to get the work done as per the standard laid by top level management. They also ensure the quality output as they continuous monitoring the activities of employees and workers, so they ensure the quality output from the workers by comparing the actual performance with standard performance. Wastage should be minimum. Next point. While monitoring the performance of the workers, they take care of all the arrangements of main material and resources available to the workers, which lead to minimum wastage of resources. Next one is maintain safety standards. Lower level managers provide a safe working environment for the workers by proper fencing and safeguard at all critical points which avoids accidents. Next one, maintain the discipline and loyalty of workforce. Lower level management is responsible for boosting morale of the workforce and develops team spirit among them, which in turn helps to maintain discipline and loyalty of workers. Lower level managers not only motivate the employees but also encourage them to work with more efficiency and effectiveness. Last one, to represent workers' grievances and problems to higher level management. Lower level management is in direct contact with workers. It tries to sort out the ordinary problems of the workers and submit their serious grievances to the middle level management to get the problem fixed. All right.